Well, this is unbelievable. We usually are mowing and walking up in there. We lost our bridge, our beloved bridge that we spent quite a bit of money on, that was supposed to be flood proof. Concrete footers, 8-foot drill stem in the ground, and concrete. Looks like the bank eroded away. This was our favorite part of the property right here. It's gone. Feel sick to my stomach. You can see where it tore off of the footers in the ground. Son of a bitch. 25-foot bridge. It stayed together. It just ain't anchored anymore. This is unreal.